hindi po mangyayari ito kung wala po kayo. And with the support of my big boss, Boss PM, yes, thank you po sir. Yes, sa support na, very supportive na boss. Yeah. Isa sa kaya na support by anyway po, enjoy lang po kayo.
Yan, wine, whiskeys, yan. Mga paborito ng mga classmates ko, nandito rin kahit paano. From Manila pa yan. Anyway, thank you guys. Thank you sir. Thank you Kapitan. Thank you to the Shackman people.
I would like to thank our very old, our very young, our very supportive,
Maraming salamat ng dahil tumalit. Salamat sa aking artist and thanks for always supporting us. They're here to support us number one and also the market.
3, 2, 1! Congratulations! Big Wheels Machineries finally is now open! Thank you very much! You can now take your seats and have a photo opportunity first. Ayan, congratulations once again, Ma'am Ellen, Sir Bong, Sir Julian. As an angel contemplate my fate, and do they know the place where we're going? They know that they know.
Pag ako'y sumayaw na, ako'y may nakilala. Mistiso na ako, dahil lang siya sa akin. Kanyang gawing girlfriend, ako'y nirigaluhan. Bahay lupat na song, ang di niya lang alam at di ko masabi na ako'y isang